How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can set the best setting for your Thrustmaster T128 steering wheel. So the first thing that you want to do is to actually navigate through the wheel control panel of your Thrustmaster. And you can simply access this inside the device and printer option. So just search for the devices and printers. And from there, you will be able to actually look at your device right here. So just go ahead and right click on it and click on the game controller setting, and now we are inside the control panel. Now you want to go ahead and set the following. Now for rotation, which is going to be inside the test input or the test forces, you want to set it to 900 degrees. This allows the game to dictate the correct lock depending on the car. Now for the overall strength of all forces, I suggest using somewhere between 75 and 100, but if you go ahead and use above or somewhere between the 100 value, it will actually cause it to feed it over information and overheating. So you want to go ahead and stay between 75, 80, or even 90 because it prevents the motor from clipping and overheating. Now for the constant, we have periodic, spring, and dampener. For this two right here, you want to set it to 100. For the spring and dampener, this is going to be depending on your style. If you want an unassisted wheel, basically raw input, you just want to set this to 0, but you could play free. You could go ahead and play around this both setting to see whether which one works best in your scenario. Now for boost, if you have some boost in your wheel, you just want to go ahead and turn that off. And of course, for game setting, you just want to go ahead and navigate through different game settings out there that specifically works for the Thrustmaster T128, but overall this is going to be the setting that we have. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.